Tree fell down. Got all the knuckleheads out here that don't know how to drive coming through. Had to call the popo in the fire department. Now they trying to finally get out here and see what's going on. Georgia Power just made it. The fire chief out here. Well, hopefully we'll have some power tonight. The funny part is the people that tried to come down and go through the power lines earlier today. Now that was funny. Not funny in the sense that you want to laugh, but I mean, I watched like 4 or 5 cars just try to go straight through. And if one of the neighbors across the street didn't try to block them and tell them they couldn't make it, they would probably make the situation a little worse. All that rain didn't do nothing but make the power lines and make it worse. Trees. Look like Chief Police wanted to leave that truck over there. I mean, not Chief Police, the Chief of the Fire Department. Now we got Georgia Power turning around. Letting them do both. Watch them hopefully get the power back on today. Yeah, they'll leave. Looks like they're gonna leave by 4 police cars to try to keep the traffic under control. But the fire department leaving. Bad time for it to happen. Almost time for the kids to get out of school. It's elementary school over in this area.